you struggling to implement change in your organization? Change is inevitable, but successful implementation isn't. Today, we'll uncover the 5 stages of successful organizational change implementation that can transform your business. Many organizations face common challenges in change management, such as poor implementation and resistance from employees. These issues can lead to significant setbacks. Without a clear strategy, you risk losing valuable time and resources. How do you overcome these hurdles and ensure a smooth transition? Let's dive into the core problems and their impact. When change is poorly managed, it can lead to lost productivity and revenue, decreased employee morale, and even the risk of organizational failure. These consequences are not just short-term. They can have a lasting impact on your company's growth and stability. Understanding these risks is crucial for driving successful change initiatives. Organizational change implementation typically consists of 5 key stages. Assessment. This stage involves evaluating the current state of the organization, identifying areas that require change, and understanding the reasons behind the proposed changes. Planning. In this stage, a detailed plan is developed outlining the objectives, strategies, resources, timeline, and responsibilities for implementing the change. The actual execution of the planned changes takes place in this stage. It involves communicating the change, training employees, and making the necessary adjustments to processes and systems. Monitoring. Monitoring progress is essential to ensure that the change is on track and to address any issues that may arise. Key performance indicators are used to measure the success of the implementation. Evaluation. In the final stage, the outcomes of the change are evaluated against the objectives. Lessons learned are documented, and adjustments are made for future change initiatives. By implementing these 5 stages, you can achieve increased efficiency and productivity, enhanced employee engagement, and sustainable organizational growth. Imagine a workplace where everyone is aligned with the vision, processes run smoothly, and goals are consistently met. This transformation isn't just possible, it's within your reach. Embrace these stages to turn challenges into opportunities and drive lasting success in your organization. To help you manage this transformation effectively, we're offering an exclusive lifetime access to the ClickUp project management tool. With a one-time payment, you can manage unlimited projects seamlessly. This tool is designed to support your change initiatives and ensure your organization stays on track for success. Ready to take the next step? Visit changeastrategist.com for more information on our exclusive offer. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us for more insights and strategies on driving successful organizational change. Your journey to transformation starts now.